Greetings. This is a Lumilife LED light fitting. It's a 5 watt R50 parabolic reflector replacement and it's dead. Don't know what happened to it. I scavenged this out of a light fitting and fortunately I only needed 3 lamps and the light fitting had 4. So YouTube time for this one. Let's try and crack it open and see what's gone wrong and what's inside. And that is causing it to split. I assume that is just held in with those gobs of solder there, so let's get them off. 5 LEDs, presumably driven 1 watt apiece, and I can see on here that they are in series. It's not really surprising. These are, it appears to be 9 volt LEDs. Because as I adjust my meter, my power supply, sorry, it is clamping at, I said about 9.3 on the display. Interesting, because I haven't come across 9 volt LEDs until recently. The last lamp I tested had them in. What else we got? We've got this little circuit board. Let's get that out. Right, little board. Let's trace that out. Here's a close-up of the board. Here's the schematic, and it looks much the same as other switching regulator LED lamps. It's got a 7-pin regulator chip like the Energizer 12.5 watt lamp I looked at recently, but this one's got a different pin out and also a datasheet, which shows that what look like 3 ground connections actually have different functions. It's just that in this case the overvolt protection isn't being used. So that's about it. There's no evidence of why it failed here. All the LEDs work, but the centre wire, the end cap, did seem to come out easily, possibly a bit too easily. Was it just that? Let's solder the LED panel back on and find out. Well, there's your answer. In fact, if we take a closer look at the board, you can see here's the problem. One of the pins has come off the coil because it's only actually mounted on these 2 corners. It's actually free to rattle about. So it's probably just broken off. I can't see me opening any more LED fittings for a while, as they usually only end up on video when they're faulty or dangerous. I did have a Philips master LED to do, but I butchered the circuit board trying to depot it, so that's gone in the bin. This'll do for now though. I'll try and dig up something different for the next video. Thanks for watching.